Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. If you love this look, you guys stay tuned and see how I achieved this cheap style. One pack shawty. Maybe I can coin that. One pack shawty. Alright y'all. Stay tuned for the rest of this video to see how I got this look. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I am starting this crochet style off with my usual minimum leave out around my edges, just the front edges. I did 10 straight back cornrows in the front, and for the back I did my circle braid. This will allow me to have like a little fuller look in the back without putting so much hair into it. I will be using the Freetress Soulful Curl, and this only cost me $10, y'all, and I only used one pack. This hair feels so natural. It comes with 3 bundles in the pack, and it has a low luster. It doesn't have like the shiny luster that some of the crochet hair tends to have. So this hair looks very, very natural. So as y'all can see, my 3 bundles, I am ready. And like I said, each bundle is 20 inches long. So if you want the hair to be longer, you want a longer style, y'all, feel free to use and not cut the bundles like I did. I wanted a shorter style, so therefore I cut my bundles. But if you do use the 3, if you do use it and you want those style to be longer, then definitely I would pick up an extra pack. But like I said, I wanted a shorter style, so therefore I only used one pack, and one pack did it fine for me. So as y'all can see, I am cutting it exactly in the middle, exactly where the little tie thing, whatever you want to call that little thing is that hold the hair together. So yeah, so now I am separating the pieces. I will be starting in the back. I always start in the back. I don't typically start in the front unless I'm using like some type of faux lock or passion twist that's already pre-twisted, so I can make sure I have enough. But with regular loose hair, I always start in the back. So I am taking, and this hair is kind of already like pre-separated slightly. Don't take my words literally beyond that, but it is kind of slightly pre-separated. As y'all can see, I like to double knot mine, and I'm not spacing it together because like I said, I'm only using one pack, and this hair fluffs out, y'all, to be a good amount of hair. Like if I use 2 packs, it would be entirely too much hair for me personally. You're welcome to use 2 packs if you want, but I know I didn't want my hair to be that big, so I'm spacing it out probably like a couple inches apart. And as I get towards more to the front, I do separate the strands more so into 2 to 3 pieces. In the front, my pieces are a little bit smaller because I don't want it to be too bulky, and I want it to kind of create more of a natural look. So yeah, but in the back, go for what you know. Unless you're finna put this hair up into a bun, like you can put them together on that very last back row. You can put them kind of close together, and then the middle won't matter. So as y'all can see, I've already done half of one side, and that's just half of one pack. So this is half of one side, and when I turned around, y'all can see you can't even really see any spacing that the up and down braid pattern would kind of give you. So that's another reason why I like the circle pattern in the back as well, because it creates a more of a fuller effect. And like you can see as well, I am doing the double knotting to make it more secure instead of just single knotting. But when I say y'all, this hair is so bomb for like the spring and the summertime, and this hair really is low maintenance. Like all I really do when I go to bed at night is put this up in like a loose pineapple bun. Like it's pretty much like the same thing that you would do with a curly sew-in. Pull it up, take it out that messy bun, and fluff it out. So y'all, as y'all can see, I am completely done. And y'all see how one pack y'all, and y'all see how full this looks off a freaking one pack. So right now I am going back in the front where I kind of want it to be parted. I think I pretty much wore it in a middle parted style. You could do whatever part ways you want to do it, but to make it even more natural looking, I took tiny pieces and crocheted them into the part that's not cornrow, if that makes sense. So as you can kind of see in the video, I try to do a close-up so y'all can kind of see, so that it kind of looks more so like it's coming out my scalp versus the full crochet look where you can see the knots. And also too, guys, you can try the technique of teasing the part where you want it to be parted at. You can kind of tease it so that you can't really see the knots. And see, as y'all can see, it don't even look like a regular crochet right here. I'm trying to tell y'all, we trying to do some new things for 2021 in the crochet world. But yeah, so you can go like all around where you want your part. You can do it in the middle. You can also do it on the sides to where you want it to be parted at. You can insert the little pieces there, so that way it's even more versatile. But yeah, like I said, y'all, this hair is bizarre. So now that I got it all in, all I'm gonna do is take some scissors and my little razor, shape it a bit, and that's it. Boom. All right, guys, as y'all can see, I am done. And I only use one pack, y'all. I literally only use one pack. I think this is a really, really good length, especially now that it's getting hot. I cut it in half and I use my little comb razor thing so it can have like more of a natural end look instead of like a blunt cut. So yeah, this hair is what is this, the Soulful Curl? It is definitely like the joyful curl. It's supposed to be, I think, like a little bit more tighter, but it's really not that much of a difference. If y'all thinking about getting this hair. Also with this hair, I have found out, y'all, that if you do get like the colored kind, like the T27 or a 30 or maybe a 33, I think the colors tend to be more of a dry, brittle type of feel versus a 1, a 1B, a 2, and a 4. And the colors, the lighter the colors, it seems to be more frizzy too. I have noticed the difference when I installed this hair on another client. So I would definitely stick to more of a natural color if you're going to choose this hair. That way you get more of a natural look, and it keeps the definition. The darker the hair, the more of the definition that it continues to hold. And yeah, as y'all can see, I did a little trick. I don't know if y'all can tell, sunlight. I did like a little pieces kind of like in between the braids so that it would give me like a little bit more natural. And you can also use like the teaser method, where you take like where you want your part is and take a comb and kind of tease it down so that it won't be like, y'all know what I'm talking about. But yes, I am loving this look, y'all. This is definitely great. Summer, spring hair, low maintenance. I will be doing the same nighttime routine that I did with the other hair. If y'all check out the other video, basically just pineappling it up and put it in like a loose bun, just to hold the curl. So yeah, so, and one pack. Again, one pack, shout it. Call me that, one pack, shout it. But yeah, y'all, this hair was $10 at my beauty supply store. I don't know how much it is online or how much it is at y'all beauty supply store, but I got one pack, 3 bundles, 10 bucks, and it did pretty well. I am definitely gonna be rocking this again. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers for hitting that subscribe button for me. You guys have no idea how much y'all support. It's making my dream come true. So yes, thank you guys again for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.